There are three things that I look for in the beginning of every horse, even when I start out with the upper level horse, and that's rhythm, suppleness, and then contact. And when I've established a quality of those three things, I go on with the rest.
Like what Michael said, what we want to try to establish is to have a nice rhythmic gait, have nice cadence, don't run them too fast, make them a little bit maybe slower even, so that the rider is able to put himself in the driving position and is able to influence the gaits per se in its stride. Quick and fast-moving horses don't have a long step. They shorten their strides rather than lengthen.
One, could you let him a little bit longer in the neck? Let him go just a little bit longer. The tempo is fine. A little bit longer than that is fine. Yeah, that's okay.
So really, as soon as he has reached a little bit down more, I think we will see probably that after a short while, I think the horse will learn to use itself just a little bit more. And he's probably a little bit looking too, but I think with a little bit of a longer neck, he is able to move the horse more into the top line rather than just against something which stops him from going.
Of course, the pole should always be the highest point, but here we're changing this horse slightly, and as you notice, the horse was going on, the neck was becoming more relaxed, and if after you'd spent some time doing this and the neck was relaxed, you'd see that he would carry himself up there.
But I believe also in the schooling, if you make the horse stretch down and stretching through the bit, through the top line, the pole will be a lower point. It depends on the length of the horse's frame. Because if the horse is supposed to stretch down, I believe that the horse should somewhat describe, like you would lift the horse off the ground, it would describe a circle, which means the horse's whole top line stretches. So, and if the whole neck, which is arched like this, now stretches down and keeps that nice bend over his neck, the pole cannot be the highest point. It has to be lower. So, but in general, naturally, if we school and then go to a training session, we want like to be able to stretch the horse as low as possible, if we want to, or take him back up, and the horse should keep his neck just as relaxed in the same manner and keep the pole the highest point.